Hi guys, welcome to Galbi's kitchen. Do you have old aged kimchi in your fridge sitting there for a long time that you are even thinking about throwing it away? Hold on, because I'm going to show you how to transform old sour kimchi into delicious kimchi fried rice.
Wow!
Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, chop the green onions finely. Chop. When chopping is done, keep them aside. Cut the bacons into bite size. You can use more bacons if you would like to. And keep them aside. Cut the kimchi into bite size with scissors in a large bowl. You can cut them with knife, but your cutting boards will get messy. Throw the bacons into the pan. Then green onions. Then cook them thoroughly until they are almost burnt. When they turn into brown color, add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add half tablespoon of soy sauce. Now add kimchi into the pan. Stir fry them. Can you imagine how beautiful smell that smokes make? Oh boy! The fire alarm went on because of the smokes. Phew, I guess you need to turn on the fan before you cook this. I'm glad I didn't burn them. When kimchi is almost cooked, put rice in it. And mix and stir fry them. I often use ladle to mix them because it's easier than the other utensils. It's done! Oh wait, one more thing. Make sunny side up fried egg. Kimchi fried rice is commonly served with fried egg. Put it on top of kimchi fried rice, then it's ready to eat. How was that? It was pretty simple, right? Now it's time to eat. It's very tasty. I loved it. I wish you guys also enjoyed this simple recipe. Hit the thumb down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have any recommendation on the recipes, please leave the comment down below. Then I will try to make it for you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!